as we keep climbing and take a huge jump from 6 to 5. We got pretty much 2x for our number 5 spot. What are we talking about? We're talking about AMD selling off hard. I believe it was the 220 puts on our hot options report yesterday, listeners, and they seemed like potentially a long way to go to hit those yesterday. Of course, AMD having earnings after the bell. Yes, it was the 220 puts changing hands 31,000 times yesterday for $2.42. AMD closing yesterday 242 and a half. So they were a long way out of the money. But as we said on the show yesterday, it seemed like in the after hours, the stock was trending in the right direction. Still, you needed a heck of a move to pay off that vol level. Well, guess what? You got a heck of a move in AMD. They cut it off at the knees today, selling off nearly 42 handles or 17.3% to close pretty much exactly at the par strike. $200.19 to be precise. So again, those puts that you paid a little over $2 for, listeners, now worth close to $20. So again, kind of like those calls, those 700 calls we saw in Meta last week, a complete home run if you did indeed buy these. The street clearly not liking what they're seeing from this number. What was the hot option today? By the way, AMD, again, putting up nearly 2x our number 6 competitor here. AMD putting up nearly 1.5 million contracts. So an absolutely wild day in AMD post earnings. The hot option in AMD, again, AMD not one of our Monday and Wednesday players, only Friday, and that was your big dog out there today. 40,000 of the par puts. Average price for these, nearly $3. So yesterday we were talking about the 220 puts trading for a little bit north of $2. Now nearly $3 for the par puts. What a difference a day makes in AMD, listeners. Absolutely wild stuff. We will definitely keep an eye on these